Now the original battery in this is over 10 years old. It's kind of puffed up. And each one of these is around 3.6, 3.7 volts. So you have about 7.4, 7.8 volts. This type of battery pack is actually used on a lot of helicopter toys and stuff. And the battery is actually a 602 540. The 2S means there's two together in a pack. These are actually some I got off of eBay from China. And they labeled the box a SAT-up card, so maybe they shouldn't have sent them through the mail. Who knows? But when they're old, they tend to get puffed up. Now these particular ones wouldn't accept a charge anymore. You can see it's all kind of gooey inside here. It has kind of a sweet smell. These are new ones I just got. And they nest down inside here. I had a kind of a devil of a time getting that apart. It's all gooped together. So I don't know if the original intent was to go ahead and just sell this whole module with the battery, because it sure didn't want to come out of there. I had to physically take a little knife and just, it's just like that was designed to be a throwaway. Replace the whole gizmo. These are the two proximity things. When you grab the holder here, it senses your hand to turn it on. So this is the on-off switch. So you got the battery here. Inputs the black and the red. Of course, that's red is negative and red is positive, black is negative. This is a charging port for one. And then one of these contacts actually hooks up to the runner. So over here is the heater wire. And then this actually hooks on with the nut to this contact here. So when you're charging, the purpose of this wire here is just to go ahead and charge for charging the battery circuit, because this goes back through here and up through one of these wires. So the charging, actually the batteries from this, I believe, which is the inboard one. And once it's charged up, this button has nothing to do with anything. So when it's running, this is the on-off switch that gives power to the blade. And then these are the telltale LEDs letting you know that there's power to this. It doesn't necessarily mean the heater's on. What happens is that this light will stay on as long as this switch here is powering the module. And so once it's below, I think 4 degrees C or something like that, 40 F, it goes through and heats up. And then once above that, it turns off. And these battery pack here online, I noticed that some were 450, 500, and 650, but the ones I could get quickly, this is a 500, because I want to play around with this. May end up just hooking a back feed through another battery pack and not have to goof around with all this. And then on some of the other videos they've got, and prototypes, they had actually a battery in the front area and stuff, but that never went into production like that.